Hello, my name is Colin Harity, and I will be going over the role of technology in education today. So, starting out with technology in our daily lives, it's seen everywhere, from at home to in the workplace, while we're shopping, and especially at school. It has improved our lives in many ways, from the ability to communicate with whoever we want, whenever we want, productivity in workplace, keeping record of information, which is gonna be key as a teacher, and the ability to search anything that you need or just kind of want to know on the internet. Now, how technology is being used in the classroom. When it comes to the use of technology within the classroom, there are many different ways of implementing it. This can be done through giving virtual lectures, as we know as online students, PowerPoint lectures, which are seen everywhere today in the classroom, online homework, online classroom assignments, educational video games, which are fantastic because they don't even know they're learning, but they really are receiving so much information while truly enjoying the video games. And flipping the classroom, which is taking the typical in-class studying and learning and putting that into video form for them to learn at home as homework, and bringing their typical homework into the classroom so they're able to ask any questions and get a better understanding of the content because they'll have their teacher right there. So the positives that come from using technology in the classroom. You have more student engagement. Students are better prepared. Improved collaboration. The enjoyment of learning is improved greatly. Improved motivation. Improved ability to work independently, as well as mentioned with collaboration so they can better work with people as well. And all this kind of helps out with getting higher test scores and overall better writing skills. How to effectively benefit from the use of technology in the classroom. This can be done by knowing how to make learning fun. You do this by having interactive images, showing fun videos, animations, simulations, and getting them involved in computer games. All this keeps students involved and active participants in their own education. And this also is a good way to kind of move into each one of these is a different way to ensure that all types of learners, such as visual, hands-on, and text, and especially special education learners, are being accommodated for, which is one of the best things you can do is know that every one of them has equal opportunities. So one thing to keep in mind before you bring the technology in the classroom is that the teachers need to have the necessary knowledge to be able to effectively use the technology before it can be even brought in. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.